clean, crushing roller. We did it! First, we need to assemble hydraulic hammer. Hooray! Filling hydraulic hammer. Pass the pump. You're doing really great. Let's level the forge's base. Let's get rid of the machine's rust. Let's paint over the discoloration. We did it! Hooray! We have to assemble bulldozer. Keep it up. Now we need to select bulldozer. Press the pump. We did it! Let's clean the work area. Let's wash bulldozer. Hooray! First, we need to assemble drop side track. Done! Filling drop side track. Press the pump. We did it! Let's build the brick kiln. Let's wash drop side track. You're doing really great. We have to assemble mini loader. Ready. First we have to select mini loader. Press